Crafty peeps. I'm so excited to share with you my new design team project for Country Craft Creations. This is Carta Country Kitchen by Stephen Duncan, which I absolutely love Stephen Duncan's work and love this collection. So first of all, I love making recipe albums. I have dozens of them, seriously. So I might do a giveaway on this one. So anyway, let me give you the measurements for this. This is 9 3/8 by 9 inches. And our spine is, of course, 9 3/8 inches by 2.5. So this is a thinner album, but a larger size. So I can tell you this is a little bit different than what I normally do. There's only 4 signatures in here, but each signature has plenty of space to put recipes in. So I love the stickers on here. And of course I use some of the 4x6 cut aparts. Here is one of the, how would you say, like strips of paper. I love it. It says, "Welcome to my country kitchen. Follow my simple rules and we all will be happy. If you empty it, fill it. If you open it, close it. If you dirty it, clean it up. If you cook it, share it. Now dig in and enjoy your company." That's so cute. And I love the back here. So there is no closure for this. You don't need one. Okay. I mean, unless you just jam pack this thing. So I went ahead and left this blank because what I wanted to do was attach some photos on here. Here is a little pocket. Let me see if I can find a card or something that I can use to show you here. Okay. Sorry, we'll just kind of use this. So you have a spot here for recipe cards. Here, I use some of Tamra's seam binding ribbon in her store. Love this red. You can put a photo here or again, a recipe card. Large pocket for recipe cards. Can put another one here or more photos or journaling. Here we have like a slide buckle and it opens up. And then you can put recipe cards and then write notes on the sides. Same as here, and this is a large pocket, okay? So I think that this has a lot going on in this one page. Now I did run out of paper, so I was not able to make mats, but there is also space to make 4 large mats in this mini album. Okay, so we tie that up and we move on. See, here's where you can put your mat. Then we have another large page that you can put recipes on or photos. Again, same here, even write notes, more recipe cards or whatever you want to put. Again, I have some space for journaling. I kind of made like a large panel of this. I think Tamra did that in her mini album as well, using the same collection. I absolutely love this. Again, we have 2 pockets that will hold the 4x6s. And this will hold smaller recipes in here. You know, like the ones you cut out from your magazines and stuff. So basically that fits there. Then that closes up. It's magnetic. Again, this is magnetic here. Okay. And you have ability to put some small photos. Write some notes. It looks like I got a little glue stuck there. I used more seam binding ribbon from Tamra store. I just glued it on with my art glitter glue. Now these are kind of neat. They kind of open up this way. Okay, and then you have enough to put 6 recipe cards here. Unless you don't want to cover that up, then it would be 5. And then again, 6 here as well. And then a large spot to put more recipe cards. Okay, so then again, you would have another space for your mat here as well. I did a large pocket page where you could stuff you know, the larger newspaper cutouts and stuff like that for recipes. Again, another huge, and this was kind of a new little design for me, using some jute twine. Huge, you know, expandable pocket here. Okay, guys. Oh, and I forgot, here's a little tuck space there too as well. So let me put this back in there. I don't know if I would use the jute again. I'd probably use seam binding ribbon. I just think that this jute kind of frays a little bit. So just be careful if you decide to use jute. Again, you have another place where you can slide a mat in here. And then we have another magnetic page as well. Okay, and then this is kind of popped up with some foam dots. You can get those in Tamra store as well. Now this is really neat. These little recipes go down, okay? So again, you have a spot to put more recipes down. In fact, let me kind of show you this. This whole thing comes down, just like so. Oops, looks like I forgot to do a couple of these. Oh well, that's okay. I'll get back to it. I knew there was a reason why I cut extra of these, you see? Good thinking, Kim. Okay. Anyway, so I thought that was kind of neat. Again, just flip it over. Then right here we have another giant pocket to put lots of recipes in. And then, of course, another space for a mat. And then we have our waterfall. Now this holds 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 recipes, and then even a 13th here, okay? And I left this one blank because I'm actually going to glue my recipe cards right on there. But you could add more. I just was running very low on the paper collection. I think altogether I used around 22 sheets. So I used a couple extra of my own. So I would say altogether probably 26 12 by 12 sheets to make this album, okay? So that means you'll probably need to buy the separate sheets from Tamra, how she sent it to me. And then of course I just ordered the sticker sheet, but that's up to you. You can order all the ephemera that goes with it as well. And then here's the back. Love the roosters. Again, you know, you have a huge space here. I could even attach a pocket or a frame or something like that on here. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. I hope you like this mini album. As you know, the tutorial is already up and has been going on for several days, like this last week. So anyway, have a wonderful and fabulous weekend. Bye, y'all. Oh, don't forget to visit countrycraftcreations.com to get your Carta Country Kitchen by Stephen Duncan. Thanks.